Eat chia seeds for 1 week and see what will happen to you. Chia seeds, small yet mighty, are one of nature's most nutrient-dense superfoods. Packed with essential nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids, fiber, protein, and antioxidants, they have been praised for their potential health benefits. But what happens if you incorporate chia seeds into your diet for just 1 week? Let's dive into the transformative effects you might experience. 1. Improved digestive health. Chia seeds are a fantastic source of dietary fiber, with just 1 ounce, 28 grams, containing 10 grams of fiber. When consumed, they absorb water and form a gel-like substance, promoting better digestion and preventing constipation. After a week, you may notice smoother bowel movements and reduced bloating, thanks to their gut-friendly properties. 2. Enhanced hydration. Chia seeds can absorb up to 12 times their weight in water. When soaked and consumed, they help your body retain hydration. This can be particularly beneficial for athletes or those living in hot climates. After a week, you might feel more refreshed and less prone to dehydration. 3. Increased energy levels. Thanks to their blend of protein, healthy fats, and fiber, chia seeds provide sustained energy without spikes and crashes. Incorporating them into your breakfast or snacks could give you a noticeable energy boost throughout the day, helping you stay focused and active. 4. Potential weight management benefits. Chia seeds expand in your stomach, which can help suppress appetite by promoting a feeling of fullness. Over a week, this effect might lead to reduced snacking and better portion control, supporting your weight management goals. 5. Better heart health. Rich in omega-3 fatty acids, chia seeds contribute to cardiovascular health by helping to reduce inflammation and improve cholesterol levels. While significant changes in heart health require more time after 1 week, you might notice small benefits like reduced fatigue, which is often linked to improved circulation. 6. Stabilized blood sugar levels. The high fiber content in chia seeds helps slow the absorption of sugar, preventing blood sugar spikes and crashes. For those with insulin resistance or prediabetes, consuming chia seeds for a week may result in steadier energy levels and fewer sugar cravings. 7. Radiant skin. Chia seeds are loaded with antioxidants that combat free radicals, which are responsible for aging and skin damage. While 1 week is a short time, you might notice a slight improvement in your skin's texture and hydration. How to add chia seeds to your diet. Chia pudding. Soak 2 tablespoons of chia seeds in a cup of milk or plant-based milk overnight. Add fruits, nuts, or honey for flavor. Smoothies. Blend 1 to 2 tablespoons of chia seeds into your favorite smoothie. Salads. Sprinkle chia seeds on top of your salads for a crunchy texture. Baking. Use chia seeds as an egg substitute by mixing 1 tablespoon of seeds with 3 tablespoons of water. Water infusion. Add 1 to 2 teaspoons to your water or juice for a refreshing drink. While chia seeds are incredibly nutritious, moderation is key. Start with small amounts, 1 to 2 tablespoons daily, to avoid potential digestive discomfort. Also, drink plenty of water, as the seeds absorb a lot of liquid. Incorporating chia seeds into your diet for a week can lead to noticeable improvements in energy, digestion, and overall well-being. These tiny seeds are a powerhouse of nutrition and can easily fit into any meal plan. Give them a try, and you might just discover your new favorite health habit.